Here we are, another day on the farm. I have to pick up some dirt, but while I was out here, I thought I would install this pergola because it's a saved trip if I can get it up. No, arbor. This is an arbor. Good grief. We do have 3 pergolas we need to put up though. So since I'm doing it on my own, I have to be a little creative about the process. I'm never in any hurry. I feel like if I try to hurry these things, I end up messing things up or getting frustrated. So I'm trying to situate it so it looks kind of straight. We're talking about putting arbors on each entrance to the fire pit area. You can see the fire pit behind me. And there are 4 entrances into the fire pit, and we're going to close off the rest. So I have 4 main entrances. I think here I'm getting the stakes. Here we go. That's the stakes that came with the arbor. There were 4 of them, so I just put them on each corner and hammered them in just far enough, and then moved the arbor and finished hammering them in the hopes that the hole on the arbor would be big enough that I could just kind of hold the arbor in the air and jimmy on all 4 corners. And thankfully, since the arbor is made of kind of a like PVC material, it worked. So there I am, got all 4 corners on. That one corner closest to us was giving me a little bit of grief, so I had to like push on it or wiggle it or something, I don't know. So there it goes, all 4 corners there. And there it is. So I just need to find 3 more. Initially this was going to be the main entrance into the flower field, but that's way too small. And then in the sunroom, look what I found. Cute kitty. See you tomorrow, guys.